Did you know that nearly half of Americans have less than $10,000 saved for retirement? That's right, folks. This alarming statistic means that many people are not prepared for their golden years. This isn't chump change we're talking about. This is your future. The money you save now will determine the quality of life you have when you retire. Retirement might seem far away, but it sneaks up faster than you think. One day you're starting your career, and the next, you're wondering if you have enough to live on. Without a healthy nest egg, you could be looking at a future of ramen noodles and cat food dinners. Not pretty, right? Imagine having to make tough choices about basic necessities. We all dream of a comfortable retirement, one filled with travel, hobbies, and maybe even that boat we've always wanted. These dreams are achievable, but they require careful planning and saving. But dreams don't pay the bills. The reality is that without proper financial planning, those dreams can quickly turn into nightmares. It's time to wake up and take control of our financial futures. We need to be proactive, not reactive, about our retirement savings. We need to start planning for our golden years now, and we need to plan to become millionaires. With the right strategies and discipline, a secure and enjoyable retirement is within reach. Becoming a millionaire might sound impossible, especially on a tight budget. But listen up, because here's the truth. It's achievable for everyone. No, I'm not selling snake oil. It's all about smart planning and disciplined saving. The earlier you start, the better. Time is your greatest ally. Compound interest, my friends, is a beautiful thing. It's like magic, making your money grow faster and faster over time. Even small contributions made consistently can snowball into a substantial sum over decades. Now let's talk about the elephants in the room, the challenges. Life throws curveballs. Inflation eats away at your savings. Unexpected expenses pop up like weeds. And let's not forget about the dreaded "I don't know where to start" syndrome. Don't let these obstacles derail your dreams. Knowledge is power. Educate yourself about personal finance. There are tons of resources available, from books and websites to financial advisors who can guide you. Building your nest egg, tried and true methods. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. Building a solid financial future requires a mix of strategy, discipline, and patience. How do you actually build that million-dollar retirement fund? First, invest wisely. This means doing your research and understanding the market. The stock market can be your best friend if you play it smart. Diversify your investments to spread risk and maximize potential returns. Explore low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs. These can offer broad market exposure with lower fees. Second, master the art of budgeting. A well-planned budget helps you control your finances and allocate funds effectively. Track your spending, identify areas where you can cut back, and automate your savings. This ensures you consistently save without having to think about it. Even small changes can make a big difference over time. Consistent, incremental savings can grow significantly with compound interest. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, it's about making your money work harder for you. Smart financial planning today leads to a comfortable tomorrow. The secret weapon: time. Time is the most valuable asset you have when it comes to building wealth. Here's a golden nugget from the pros: start early. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. I can't stress this enough. Time is your best friend in the world of finance. The power of compound interest is magnified the earlier you begin. It's like planting a tree. The sooner you plant it, the bigger it grows. Even if you can only spare a small amount right now, start somewhere. Every little bit counts and adds up over time. Building a million-dollar retirement is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about consistent, steady progress over the years. It requires discipline, patience, and a little bit of financial savvy. Educate yourself and stay committed to your goals. But trust me, when you're sipping margaritas on a beach during your golden years, you'll thank yourself for starting early and investing wisely. The peace of mind is priceless. So what are you waiting for? The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now. Start planning your millionaire retirement today. Your future self will be grateful for the decisions you make now.